Welcome to Mechanicky Stuff. Welcome to Mechanicky Stuff. Today's adventure is we're going to have a play with this, what I think is a stripped down cleanable spark plug. But before we get on to that, look at my new signs. Young lad has just started up to made them. I'll leave a link to his company in the description. I think it's bloody brilliant. It's remote control. There's all different sorts of... That was a bit bloody annoying, isn't it? Well, that's even worse. But yeah, well enamoured. Right. Do us a big favour, will you? Will you press the subscribe button? It'll help the channel grow and gives me a bit more sort of confidence to do these videos. Thank you. Right, let's get cracked on with this. I'm assuming it's a stripped down one. I've never ever seen one. But I've heard of them. I don't know how tight this is. Bollock, that's tight. They came with Fiona. They were in her. Oh, there we go. I'll take that off. Into the unknown. Oh well, look at that. I'm assuming that'll come out. We'll just have a look at the... Well, that's the body. You can see the three little electrodes on the end. How bizarre. The other two are not like that. The other two are just like that. I say it's a bit of a mismatch. That one's got the electrodes missing off it. There will be a name on them, I suppose, somewhere. Oh, there. That one just says AC B6. And that's just a... So obviously, it's a right mismatch, isn't it? Right, let's have a look at this. I wonder if that will actually come out of there. If it doesn't, what would be the point in taking it in bloody bits? I don't want to shag it, you know, it's, I'll just see if I can find a little brush. We'll have a clean of it up. You guessed it, the old ghost juice. Unless they're carboned up. It's the only reason I can think of that you'd bloody take it out and strip it down. Can't really see, can you? Oh, that's carboned up there. I'm guessing these are before the throwaway society, aren't they? When everything was cleanable, repairable. I know it's full of gritty shit. That must be some form of... I don't know, I can't really see, to be honest. That's got to be some form of insulator, isn't it? Does that come off? That comes off. As I say, I don't really want to break it. I think it's quite cute. I don't know if it works. What's that? Oh, that's just crap, isn't it? It's a clever idea, I suppose, isn't it? You could put that on the wire wheel. Well, I don't know what I'm going to do with them. I'm going to stick it in, obviously I'm going to stick some new ones in. I just thought they were quite sweet. People might be interested. Don't think that's too bad. If anybody knows anything about this type of spark plug, leave us a comment in the comments, really, because I'd be quite interested, to be honest. I think it's quite unusual. There must be somebody who collects stuff like this. Right. What I'll do is I'm not going to go silly willy with it. But we'll just firm him back in so I don't lose bits. There we go. Little wag. Doesn't look any bloody different, does it? Can you see in the end? But obviously there's no carbon in there now. I assume in the day, back in the day, they probably cocked up to buggery. I quite like that's quite sweet, isn't it? Might even get sad and start a collection. There's no name on that one. There's no name on that one. Oh, there might be something under the rust. And that, like I say, that one just says ACB6. I don't know. Alright, hope you've enjoyed this. Cheers, bye-bye.